Once upon a time, a Flexo Wash cleaning unit was left aside in the corner of the production room. Alone and unable to make the operator aware of errors or finished washing cycles. The machine's only communication tool was to turn on a red light and hope for someone to notice it, until one day, when it was updated with CleanLink'ed. A scan and app, download later. And the Flexo Wash unit was given a whole new way of communicating directly with the operator via his phone. No more desperate red blinks without being noticed. The Flexo Wash cleaning was finally CleanLink'ed and never again forgotten or left alone. CleanLink'ed. Stay connected with your cleaning unit.